Public comment?
I'd like to make
Mr. Dingman?
a couple of comments regarding this presentation here. Works okay. Video. Remove this. Okay, salary comparison study. I've always had issues with this salary survey. These are the cities that are on the list. See some of them closely. Albany, 16,000. There's some big cities on this list. Fairfield, 102,000. Vacaville, 93,000. Vallejo, 120,000. City has gone bankruptcy because of personnel costs and declining revenue. Cities are significantly larger than the city of Dixon. Many other cities should have been on this list, were not included. Cities are more like Dixon size. Arcata, Colingua, Hart Springs, around Dixon's population, around 17,000. It makes no sense why those big cities were included on this study. Back that up, here's another slide. Barely read that, but the yearly salary. And if you see this, it seems that, golly, for the fire chief and the police chief, we're severely underpaying these people. But what was lost on prior councils is that there's a difference between the city of Dixon and the city of Fairfield. Police Department of Dixon got a budget of about $4.3 million. Fairfield's got a budget of $33 million. Head count, Dixon, 31 people. Fairfield, 215 people. There is no way, no reason I know of, that Fairfield should have been on this salary survey. Same thing for fire department as well. 23 for Dixon, Fairfield, 3 times the size. Vacaville is almost 4 times the size. Community development. I know some of these don't always go over directly. We got about 3 personnel. Fairfield's got 36. What these, including these big cities, in this salary survey, inflated the average. There needs to be another survey done. This survey was a bad survey. One thing I would like to see done, and here's some other things as well, will give you an indication. These are some other benefits that our people are eligible for. Annual salary, the benefit allowance, $13,000. It's about $1,100 a month or thereabouts. If you got an advanced education, you get another 2.5%. If you're bilingual, you get another 2.5%. My problem with these advanced education and bilingual is that prepares you for another job. Maybe that got you promoted to this job. Maybe you were a lieutenant in Concord, and because you had your advanced degree, we said, well, okay, of all the candidates, this guy's got the best degree. So that gets you rewarded for your degree. Not when you're here at Dixon, you don't get rewarded for it. You do it for yourself. City of Dixon, we're just giving you more money. Now, what I would like to see done on this survey, these are my recommendations right here. Scrap this salary survey. It was a poorly done survey. It makes no sense. Compare Dixon with equitable sized cities. We don't have 215 people in our police department. We don't have 70 or 80 people in our fire department. There is a difference between an individual supervising 30 people and somebody supervising a whole lot more than that. Benefits. The benefits should be non-compensated. Either use them or you lose them. That's the way private industry works. Either you take the benefit or you don't. For the city, this could result in significant savings. I calculated it up right here. Depending on how many people are using these benefits, on a piece of paper here, this could possibly result in savings of about $92,000 for the monthly benefit allowance. With education, maybe about $22,000 a year. Bilingual, about $22,000 a year. And to make it equitable, my suggestion would be that we grandfather it. If somebody's already getting the benefit, we're not going to cut them off right now. Or if anybody else come on board, we do not provide these benefits. So I think this contract needs to be, my recommendation is that we renegotiate the contract. The benefits be non-compensated, either use it or lose it. And we delete the education and the bilingual pay. That is why you were selected for a position. Maybe it was a little plus, good that you were bilingual. A little plus that maybe you had your advanced degrees. But I believe this salary survey was a poorly done survey, and it overstated the median pay. That's what I have to say.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Any other comments from the public? Okay, back to council.